Hey guys, it's Spencer. Got a question for you. Do you suffer from tabitis and addiction to tab opening? Well, Edge just came out with a feature that may help you. Let me show you how to turn it on. So start by going to edge://flags. Once you're there, search for sleeping tabs. You're going to enable this feature and it's going to be really cool. So now go over to settings. From settings, you're going to go down to system. Inside of system, you're going to change your time setting and make sure that this thing is available, like save resources with the sleeping tabs, put it to sleep after so much time of an activity. And then you can also add tabs that you don't want to sleep. Like there's sometimes I'll have a Google Ads tab open. I want to keep track of my budget and make sure things aren't going sideways. So I might add that in there, or Gmail or whatever. But this should free up system resources. So yeah, let's give it a shot.